tired of her already. She just goes after him. And I do think Big Dog is in heat, because that's all he's concerned about. Yeah, I'm talking about you. Look at her. Oh, don't jump up in my lap. You're cute. Oh, he's in my lap. Here, get down and play. He wants to play. He's like, oh no, please. He's trying to get in my lap now. Where'd you go? Oh, you're too short to reaches. Oh my goodness, I don't want you in my lap. Hey, he's so cute. Where'd you go? She don't care how big they are. She didn't eat anything last night. She had upset tummy. Gosh, I can't do this. Yeah, but I feel fine today. Oh, whoop your head. Oh, get on my lap.